So brush the knee, watch. This one is all right because my hand is on the line. When you are here, James, you are okay here. You can continue, but do not continue with the quad. Do not continue with your hand. And when you go like this, it's already lost. Meaning, the quad is going to move horizontally this way, but your hand is also going with it. This is the problem. Now you understand the problem? Yeah. So the isolation is, so Jimmy, if you touch my fingers right there, it actually hold like this, you can feel the horizontal move. If I move like this, I'm moving with my quad. My quad is allowed, but that move makes my arm go longer. So we go sideways a little bit. So Christine, can you hold my two quads? No, behind me, hold my two quads and lock a little bit. So now my quad going from one to another, this is a rotation. I want that rotation to propel my hand. You all go like this. Okay, so, thanks. This propels it go that way. So it's a normal mechanical method. Otherwise, you're double heavy. James, this is the first one. Second one is you continue here. The quad goes out. When the quad goes out, the arm also goes out. That's double heavy. So when the quad goes out, the elbow comes this way. Can you see it's this way? But your hand cannot deviate. So now you have this creating this. You are always doing this. So the next move is crucial. So when your hand goes like this here, your quad cannot copy and do that. Yeah, you touch my quad. When my hand is starting to do this, it's left, right, the quad only goes forward. So every move has, Josh, has this T-bar in it. Anytime you have a horizontal, there's a vertical move. Otherwise, you're always double heavy. So this is crucial.